Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to another story session with Shabana ma'am. So, today I am going to tell you a story of a rabbit. Yes, and the name of the story is The Rabbit on the Moon. So, there was a jungle, and in that jungle, there used to live many animals, and all the animals used to think that they are the best and they are the most useful animal and they are closest to God. So everybody used to say very proudly, lion used to say, I am closest to God. Elephant used to say, oh no, I am closest to God. Even cow used to say, I am also closest to God. So God was listening everything and he thought that I should disguise and become a poor man and I have to go and test these animals. So he disguised himself into a poor man and he first went to a lion. And what did he say? Oh, king of the forest, I'm starving. I have nothing to eat. Can you please give me some food to eat? The lion roared and he said, oh, go away from here. I do not get enough to eat for myself. What will I give it to you? Just go. This poor man God went. And then, whom did he go? He went and he went to the elephant. And he told elephant, Elephant, can you give me something to eat? I'm really hungry. The elephant jumped in anger and he said, go away from here. I do not get enough food to eat. What can I give it to you? So the god went ahead and there he met a camel and he said, Dear camel, can you give me something to eat? I'm really starving. The camel said angrily, Hey, who are you? Where have you come from? I can't find some food for myself. I wander here and there in search of food. What can I give you? Go away. Little disappointed God went ahead and he saw a cow and he said, Oh cow, please give me some milk. I'm very hungry. The cow moved and she said, Go away from here. I do not get enough milk to feed my calf. What will I give it to you? Just go away. At last, God went to rabbit. The rabbit was eating carrot. God said, Dear rabbit, I'm hungry. Can you give me something to eat? The rabbit stopped eating and he gave a piece of carrot to God. God said, But this is very small piece. It will not satisfy my hunger. The rabbit said kindly, Please wait. The rabbit began to collect some twigs and then he rubbed the stone and lit the fire. He said to God, I have nothing to offer you except myself. You can roast me in the fire and eat. That will satisfy your hunger. And saying this, he jumped in the fire. God was astonished to see this. How can the little rabbit can do this for me? He couldn't believe himself. But he was God and he came into his real self and he saved the rabbit. The rabbit did not get any harm. And God said to rabbit, though you are tiny, you are the most useful animal and closest to me. Therefore, God gave the rabbit place on the moon. Since that day, the whole world sees the image of the rabbit on the moon. This is the reason why the moon is also known as Shashank, the one on whose lap the rabbit sits. So, my dear children, Today, you all have to see from the window at the moon and just check if you can find a rabbit sitting on moon's lap. I hope you like the story, children. Thank you.